Hello guys, welcome to our Artastic India. And I am Prayati, maybe you know, but I am the creator of I Am Fever, the channel for art and craft, dice, and you can visit my channel, my another channel if you want. And by the way, this is my another channel. I made my another channel for art, craft, art, and sketching. So if you like my arts and sketches, so please subscribe for more. And this is my first video especially made for beginners, and now we are making an eye. So for this I am making a circle, and then I will make a line on it so we can make a structure for our eye, and then we can create a easily its shape. So as you see, I am shaping it. You have to do the same. You can make it as unique as you want. Now, as you can see, I have created its eye shape. Now I will remove the whole structure with the eye, and remember, you have to make the eye a bit more harder than the structure, so that after erasing all the marks you can easily draw the eye again, but not the structure. As you can see, I am drawing it. After making the structure again, you will see what am I gonna do. So now, as you can see, the shape of the eye is ready. Now, you can also tell me in comments that if it's okay with you that I'm talking in English. Otherwise, I know Hindi as well. So now, anyways, as we have created the eye, now we will just darken it a little bit, and then we will make a iris. You know what a iris is? Eyeball. In an eye there is a black eyeball, which is of black color, I guess, when everyone have different color of eyeballs. But I am making, since I am making from pencil, doesn't matter which color it is. So after making the eyeball, we will create a window type reflection in it. So for this you will see how am I gonna do this. But firstly, just when you think that you have made a right eyeball, so that just darken it a little bit. After that you will make a window type reflection in it. Okay then, alright. Now since we have made the window, now what are we gonna do? We are gonna shade it inside, like filling it with pencil slightly. Remember to use it slightly. Like you can see, I am just slightly shading it from inside, and remember to leave the window. Only shade the other part, and after that shading, you have to